Morning, Carl. Hi, Nina. Oh, I held her. Hi, Elijah. Hello, Brian.
Hi, Mr. Wise.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Hello, Devon. Hello, Maya. Morning, Joel. Morning, Amy. I have some really bad jokes for you today. I have an EpiPen. My friend gave it to me when he was dying. It seemed very important to him that I have it. Ooh. How did the hipster burn his mouth? He ate the pizza before it was cool. What's the difference between an oral thermometer and a rectal thermometer? The taste. Ooh. I waited and stayed up all night and tried to figure out where the sun was. Then it dawned on me. What's red and moves up and down? A tomato in an elevator. How about the world's worst thesaurus yesterday? Not only was it terrible, it's terrible. How did the blonde die ice fishing? She was hit by the Zamboni. Morning to Nelson. Carl Berry, good morning. What's a pirate's favorite letter? You might think it's R, but it's the C. What did the green grape say to the purple grape? Oh my God, breathe, darn it, breathe. Never criticize someone until you've walked a mile in their shoes. That way, when you criticize them, you're a mile away from them and you have their shoes. What do Alexander the Great and Winnie the Pooh have in common? They both have the same middle name. Thanks, Nelson. I couldn't believe the highway department called my dad a thief, but when I got home, all the signs were there. My grandfather died peacefully in his sleep, not screaming like the passengers in his car. All righty. We're going to move on from proofs for a little bit. Angle sum today. Angle sum. Find the measure of each angle indicated. All right. Do you know how many degrees the angles of a triangle add up to? The angles of a triangle add up to how many degrees? Do you know? Anybody know? No? Even a guess? The angles of a triangle. Oh, somebody put it in the chat. Yes, Hillary, thank you very much. 180 degrees. Good. All right. The angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if I wanted to know what this angle equaled, I would say that 45 plus 60 plus question mark equals 180, right? That's correct, Nina. That's correct, Hilda. Very good, very good, very good, good. Okay. So what is 45 plus 60? 45 plus 60 is 105. 105 plus what equals 180? What do? I minus 105 from both sides. And question mark equals 75. In today's assignment, you won't put degrees, you'll just put the number. Question mark equals 75. Can I please have a thumbs up if that made sense, please? Can I have a thumbs up if that made sense? Thank you, Joel, Carl Daniels, Amaya, Misa, thank you, Devon, thank you, Brian, Nina, Amaya, Dylan, thank you. Good morning, Misa, by the way. Good morning, Alex. Carl Berry, thank you. Very good. Dylan, thank you. All right. Good. All right. Davon, good morning, by the way. All right. Next. Okay. Over here. The three angles of a triangle add up to what? They add up to 180, right? Once again, question mark plus 80 plus 50 equals 180, right? I'm going to call, instead of question mark, I'm going to put X. X plus, what's 80 plus 50? 80 plus 50 is 130. What do I do to both sides? I minus 130. So what does X equal? 50. Can I have another thumbs up? We still good there? No problem? Thank you, Duran, Misa, Nina, Carl Daniels, thank you. Joel, thank you. Thank you, Brian. All right. Hilder, thank you. Eni, thank you. All right, all right. Carl Berry, I think I got a little nod from you. That's good. All right, thank you for the thumbs up. Okay. All right. Now, private chat me. What's the answer? Go. What is the measure of the question mark angle? And put it in the private chat, please. Nina, good. Devon, good. Misa, good. Who else? Carl Berry, good. Hilder, good. Dylan, good. That's it. Nobody else? $61 plus 57 plus X equals 180. 61 plus 57 is 118 plus X equals 180. Minus 118 from both sides. 180 minus 118 gives me 62. All right. Next, go. Put it in the private chat. What's your answer? Good, Carl Daniels. Devon, good. Lisa, good. Dylan, good. Eni, what about you? What's your answer? Carl Berry, what's your answer? Put it in the chat, private chat. Joel, try again. Nina, good. Joel, all you did was add the two numbers together. What does the question mark equal? Good, Nina. Good, Hilder. Elijah, what's your answer? Good, Carl Berry. Davon Gresham, what's your answer? Davon, I'm going to need to hear an answer from you. I haven't gotten one thumbs up from you yet, so give me an answer so I don't mark you absent today, please. If you don't participate, I got to mark you absent. Unless you put your camera on. If you put your camera on, I won't mark you absent. Elijah, try again. You're off by 1. Good, Joel. Denelson, what about you? What's your answer? Alex, what's your answer? Good, Elijah. Davon Gresham, can I get an answer from you? How about you, Amaya? All right. We got X plus 130 plus 24 equals 180. All right. 130 plus 24 is 154. X plus 154 equals 180. Minus 154 from both sides. X equals 26. Okay. Thank you, Amaya. Davon Gresham, can I get a thumbs up at least? Davon, if you don't give me a thumbs up, I gotta mark you absent today. I gotta know if you're there. If you're not there, I gotta mark you absent and I gotta make another call home. All right. So Davon Gresham, I'm not hearing from you. So that's a problem. Okay. All right. Next. Oh, look at this. All right. Don't say anything yet. All right. Don't respond yet. But you have to think about what's the measure of that angle. All right.
We can't see your screen. You're not sharing.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Here, you got to think about what's the measure of that angle, okay? So go ahead and give me the answer, don't tell me what the measure of that angle is. Go ahead and give me the answer to this guy here, all right? Put it in the private chat. Good, Nina. Good, Devon. Dylan, that's good. Nina, good. Hilder, good. Joel, try again. Carl Berry, try again. Misa, good. Good, Misa. Carl Berry, did you try again? Joel, did you try again? All right. The box here, all right, is 90 degrees, right? So we have x plus 61 plus 90 equals 180, right? 61 plus 90 is 151. So x plus 151 equals 180. Minus 151 from both sides. Okay. 29. Okay. 29 makes sense. You're still trying. You got the last one right, Carl Berry. What do you mean? Does this one make sense, Carl Berry? Okay, thank you. Can I have a thumbs up if that makes sense, please? All right. Thank you, Maya, Misa, Devon, very good. Joel, Denelson. Alex, what about you? I haven't seen or heard from you today. Eni, good. I don't see anything from you, Alex. Are you in front of your computer or not? Thank you. Elder, thank you. Davon Gresham, this is your last chance for me to not mark you absent. I need a thumbs up from you. Tell me that you're in front of your computer. Okay. All right. How about this one? Okay. Go. Whoops, sorry. I don't know what my problem is. Here we go, this one. When you get your answer, put it in the chat, please. Good, Misa, good, Devon, good, Carl Daniels. Nina, good. Joel, good. Hilder, good. Denelson, I haven't heard from you today. How about you? Elijah, no. Try again, please. Amaya, try again, please. You subtracted wrong, that's all. All right. Good, Amaya, that's it. All right. So we have x plus 90 plus 22 equals 180. Okay. 90 plus 22 is 112. X plus 112 equals 180. And a minus 112 from both sides. X equals 68. Okay. All right. Now, what about this? Solve for x. Ooh. How do I get 90 from what, Carl Larry? What are you talking about? How did I get 90 from that? I have a 90-degree angle there, right? Question mark plus 90 plus 22. Are you talking about this angle here, this angle right here? That angle is 90 degrees, right? If you see a right angle, that's 90 degrees. Yes or no, Carl Berry? Yeah, that's called a right angle. You see a little square like that, the square means right angle. That means 90 degrees, okay? Okay. If you see a red mark like that, if you see a square, okay? Regardless of your point of view, if you see a square, assume it's 90 degrees. Regardless of what it looks like, assume it's 90 degrees, okay? All right. Moving right along. Now we're going to solve for x. Okay. Solve for x. All right. In this case, I have three angles, right? So I have 55 plus 80 plus 9 plus 3x equals 180. Do you see what I did? I said this plus this plus this equals 180. can I have a thumbs up if you understand what I just did there? Thank you, Brian. Lisa, thank you. Carl Daniels, thank you. Joel, Elijah. Zakaya, welcome to class. Only 30 minutes late. Javon, thank you. Amaya. Carl Berry, thank you. Denelson, thank you. All right, very good. Very good. Okay. All right. All right. So now we got 55 plus 80 plus 9. What is 55 plus 80 plus 9? You can use a calculator. 55 plus 80 plus 9, 144. Thank you, Carl Daniels. All right. Oh, Misa, look at you. All right. So we have 144 plus 3x equals 180. Right? Good job, Misa. Good job, Hilder. Okay. I'm going to minus 144 from both sides. Okay. I get 3x equals 36. I divide by 3. Good job, Brian. I get x equals 12. All right. So Brian, Hilder, and Misa already gave me that answer before I even got to it. So could I have a thumbs up from everyone else if you understand why x equals 12? Thank you, Joel, Nina, Alex, Elijah, Carl Daniels, thank you. Amaya, very good. Devon, thank you. Denelson, what about you? I got to mark you absent if you don't give me a thumbs up. Eni, thank you. All right. Zakaya, did that make sense to you? Thank you, Denelson. All right. Okay. All right. Now you try it. Solve for x. Go. Close, Nina. Good, Misa. Double check your last step if you divided. Good, Amaya. Okay. Good, Joel. Here we go. All right. Here's what I did on the last problem. I said 55. I said, right, this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180, right? 55 plus 80 plus 9 plus 3x equals 180, right? And I solved for x. All right. So you try it with that problem. Hilder, good. Joel, if I didn't tell you, good. Ooh, Carl, we're smoking some crack today. Try again. Let's take a look. We got 8x minus 4 plus 49 plus 71 equals 180. Okay. So on your calculator, 49 plus 71 minus 4. 49 plus 71 minus 4 equals 116. So we have 8x plus 116 equals 180. Minus 116 from both sides. 8x equals
1.
64.
X 4.
Divide by 8. Oops. X equals 8. Okay. X equals 8. By the way, X equals 8. If I put 8 in for X, that means eight times 8 minus 4. 64 minus 4, that would be 60 degrees. Okay. So you're going to get a question today. Your question will say, which of the 3 angles is the biggest angle? If you got that question, your answer would be 71, right? If if the question said, what's the smallest angle, your answer would be 49, right? Can I have a thumbs up if you understand what I just said? Okay, very good, thank you. All right, Carl Berry. Do you see right here 8x minus 4? You see 8x minus 4? Okay. Good. So the minus 4 has to be included. Okay. So 49 plus 71. Actually, I don't know how you got 111. Could you try it on your calculator, please? 49 plus 71 is 120. And 120 minus 4 is 116. Okay. So try that on your calculator again. Let's take a look here. All right. Oh, try this one. Okay. Solve for x. Very good, Carl Berry. Good, Hilda. Devon, try again. Nina, good. Amaya, try again. Misa, good. Joel, good. All right, we've got 90 plus 50 plus 10x equals 180. Right? Good, Carl Daniels. 90 plus 50 is 140 plus 10x equals 180. Minus 140 from both sides. $10x equals 40. Divide by 10. X equals 4. Devon, do you see where you went wrong? Amaya, you see where you went wrong? Good. Good, Devon. Okay. Good. All right. Try this one. Good, Nina. Good, Carl Daniels. Good, Misa. Good, Maya. Good, Misa. Carlberry, good. Good, Joel. Good, Devon. Very good. You guys are getting it. Nice job. Okay. 70 plus 40 plus 7x. Good, Devon. Equals 180. 70 plus 40 is 110 plus 7x equals 180 minus 110. 7x equals 70. Divide 7. X equals 10. Good, Brian. All right. Now, we're going to do delta math again today, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. This part's going to be easy, right? You do 23 plus 90, that's 113. You do 180 minus 113, and you'll get 67. Just type the number, 67. Okay, yes, all right. That's what you're gonna do in all of those problems, okay? It's just going to be find the number, find the angle, all right? You just add 2 of the angles and subtract from 180. And that gives you the third one. You're going to do 5 of those, but then the other 5, now the other 5 are either solve for x. Here you know what to do, right? So let me show you. Hold the phone. Okay. Now, in this one, you know we got 5x minus 15 plus 30 plus 90 equals 180, right? And then we've got minus 15 plus 30 plus 90, right? That makes 105. So we have 5x plus 105 equals 180 minus 105. 5x equals 75. Divide by 5. What's that? 15. 75 divided by 5. 15. Okay. And once again, all you will do is put the number in. It already says x equals. You put in 15. Okay. Now, check this out. Huh. Whoop. Here, look at this. This one says find the measure of the largest angle. What? Find the measure of the largest angle. So if it says that, look what I have to do, all right? I first have to solve for x, all right? I have to solve for x. I have to say, all right, 44 plus 4x minus 7 plus 3x minus 11 equals 180, right? Look at that. There's x's in 2 of the angles this time. I add them all together. 4x plus 3x is 7x, right? Then 44 minus 7 minus 11. 44 minus 7 minus 11 equals 26. So it's 7x plus 26 equals 180 minus 26 from both sides. 7x equals 154. Divide 7. 154 divided by 7 is 22. Thank you, Brian. But I'm not done. Now I'm not done because I have to put 22 in for x. Oh my goodness. 22 in for x. All right, so what's 3x minus 11? 3x minus 11. That means 3 times 22 minus 11. 3 times 22 is 66 minus 11 is 55. Okay. So 55, and then there's 44, right? What's the other angle? The other angle is 4 times 22 minus 7. 4 times 22 is 88, minus 7 is 81. So there's an angle that's 81, an angle that's 55, and the angle that's 44. The question says, what's the measure of the largest angle? 81. There you go. Okay. 81. Right. So make sure if it doesn't say solve for x, you have to find the measure of the angle. Okay. Which one? I know that's a lot, right? I'm sorry, Hilda, you're right. The good news is, however, I'm only giving you 5 of those problems. Hopefully, most of them are all just solve for x. Okay. You're right. That is too much. I agree with you. But you can do it. All right. And so please start right now. This is due at the end at the end of the period. So you got until 10:30. You should easily finish by 10:15. Go.
Mr. Wise,
Yes.
I have one question.
Ask away. You're muted.
I don't understand the second.
Oh, you don't understand the problem we just did?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's how it works, okay? So first, it said we have 3 angles. One is 44, one is 3x minus 11, one is 4x minus 7. Okay, so I set all of that equal to 180, right? That was this line right here, right? I said 44 plus 4x minus 7 plus 3x minus 11 equals 180, right? I need a yep from you or something like that. Brian?
Yeah.
Okay, you good with that? You see how I got that, right? Okay. Did you see then how I got x equals 22? Were you okay with that?
Yeah. And the second problem. I don't know.
So then, all right, do you see the angle that says 3x minus 11 right here? This right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, instead of x, I put in 22. Okay, instead of x right here, I put in 22. And I said 3 times 22 minus 11 made 55, right?
Yeah.
And then do you see 4x minus 7? Instead of x, I put in 22. 4 times 22 minus 7 equaled 81. So now there are 3 angles. 44, which is over here, 55, which is this guy, and 81, which is this guy. The question says, what's the largest? What's the biggest number? The biggest number is 81. Oh, okay, so the answer is 81.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Got it.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome. When you're done, put it in the chat that you're done. I'm going to check to see that you've got your 100%. You're not excused until you've got your 100%.
You say you just called my name?
Yes,
You
multiple
ain't just called
times.
my name. Why you lying?
Okay. All right, I'll tell you what. Here's what we're gonna do. If I am not lying, do this problem right here. Prove that I'm not lying. Do this problem. What's the
That
answer
ain't
to
gonna
this?
prove that you just called my name. You
What
did
is
not
the
just call my
answer to
name.
this question? What
I'm
is
not
the
doing
answer
that
to
problem.
this
I'm sorry,
problem?
bro. I'm
What's
not
the
doing that
answer
problem,
to
bro.
this problem?
I'm
You
not
do
doing it.
this problem and I will not mark you absent. But I don't think you know what the answer to this problem is. Devon. Okay, you are good to go. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
You putting in these grades today?
I don't know if I will get to them today.
All right.
I will try. Devon Gresham, do you have an answer to this problem? Hilda, do you have a question on one of your problems?
Yeah, I just got one of those ugly ones.
I'll tell you what, can you just share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay,
So I already know what X is, but I don't remember the steps of that.
okay. So now, what'd you get for X?
21.
So put 21 in for X. So like for 4X minus 5, do 4 times 21 minus
Then
5.
-5.
Yeah,
And that would be the answer.
no. 4 times 21 is 84. 84 minus 5 is 79, right?
Yeah.
But then 21 plus 17, right? That's 38. So
Yep.
it's so the question says, what's the largest angle? Yes, the answer would be 79.
All right. Thank you.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Carl Daniels, you are good to go. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
Mr. Wise,
Yes.
can you hold?
You said you need help?
Yeah,
Can you share your screen?
this one.
Okay. Solve for X, okay? All you have to do is 75 plus 63 plus 4X plus 2 equals 180, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, Nina, you're next.
Thanks.
But you're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stop sharing? All right, Nina, go. Okay, solve for x. You're just gonna tell me what x is. So you have to do 6x minus 9 plus 4x plus 10 plus 4x minus 3 equals 180.
So I combined all the like terms first, right?
Yeah. You should get 14x. What is it? Minus 2 equals 180. Add 2, you get 182 divided by 14. What did you get?
I got 13.
Good job, Nina Mills.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, hey, we have a meeting today, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you there. Devon Gresham, if you are paying attention, you have to go to what I did in the chat and create an account in deltamath.com. You've never done that. So what we're doing today is in deltamath.com. Your assignment is there. But you have never logged into deltamath.com.
I'm finished, Mr. Weiss.
Let me check it out. Brian. Okay, Brian, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Mr. Well, I just finished.
Have a good weekend. Oh, wait a second. Hold on, Hilder. You, hold on a second. Yeah, you got to do the quiz. Okay, we did a quiz on Friday. I'm sorry, on Tuesday. And I need you to do that. And then there's also another, the very, very first assignment of the quarter. It's called SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS. I want you to do that too.
I need help.
Okay, where's the quiz?
It's also in, look, go back like into your home page or whatever, and just, you'll see, it says quiz 7 proofs.
I need help.
Okay, go ahead, Carl, share your screen. Hilda, did you find it?
I need help with this.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to do now. Is it in gradebook?
No, 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 no. No, it's still in your Delta Math, Hilder. Okay,
Okay.
Carl, solve for X. You do 36 plus 4X. I can't see. Is that 4X minus 17?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus 4X minus 17 plus 61 equals 180, right?
Mhm.
Do you know what to do from there or no?
No.
Okay. All right. All right. Stop sharing for a second.
All right.
Mr. Weiss, I'm done.
Who just said I'm done? Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Please do the quiz. Oh, sorry, you did the quiz. I'm sorry, you did the quiz. All right, very good. Okay, you can go. See ya. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. All right.
Is it the one that says quiz 7?
Yes, quiz 7. Okay. All right. Carl, do you understand? Now we got 36 plus 4x minus 17 plus 61 equals 180. You understand that? Carl Berry?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. What do you do next?
You gotta combine like term.
Okay. Go. Do it. What do you get?
Well, 36 plus 61 is 90,
Is. Okay.
96.
Okay. And then what?
So then you drop down 4x minus 17.
Okay.
4x minus 17 plus 96 equals 180.
Okay. So then, hang on a second, Heller. So you said 4x minus 17, you said plus 97
96.
equals 97, right?
No, it's 96.
96?
Mm-hmm.
No, 36 plus 61 is 97. Then what?
And then um,
That makes no sense, Hilda. You should be able to open it. Can you try, Hilda, can you try closing your browser and then opening it again? See if that works.
Yeah, you wanna see my screen real quick?
Hold on a second. Carl Berry, what happens next here?
and then you change the 17 to a positive.
No. You combine negative 17 plus 97. Do you understand?
Yeah.
What's negative 17 plus 97?
80.
So it's positive 80, right?
Mm-hmm.
4x plus 80 equals 180, right? Now what?
Minus both sides.
What?
80 and 180.
Do 180 minus 80, right?
Yeah.
What do you get?
4x equals 100.
Okay. Divide by 4, right?
Yeah, that equals 25.
There you go.
Thanks.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Hilda, go ahead. Share your screen. No, it's not. That's not the, I have it due on January 20th.
Wait, can I leave class now?
Did you complete the assignment?
No, it said I completed one of them. It says 70% when I
No,
completed
I
the
want
first.
100%. Don't go anywhere until you got 100% done.
Yeah, it says 5 out of 5 on one of them.
Okay, you got to do 5 out of 5 on both of them.
Oh, I didn't know.
Hilda, go click on that delta math there in the top left. There, that. Now, there you go. Quiz 7 proofs. Click on that.
Oh,
Go back,
okay.
go a little lower. Yeah, that.
Oh, I didn't know it was this one. I thought this one was another
No.
one.
Go,
Yeah.
yeah, that. There, that. There you go.
Okay.
You can stop sharing now. Annie, are you there? Annie, are you there? Annie Pokun,
Yes.
you have not done one problem yet. Please get started on your assignment.
Can you help me out with one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Go ahead.
So this one I already tried like 3 times and
Yeah, it's because, yeah. Isn't that HL? Hypotenuse leg?
um oh okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Amaya, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
You have taught me, but no, I'm gonna try the side angle.
Are you talking to me? Hilda?
Oh no, I'm sorry.
No, that's
I
okay.
forgot to turn this off.
Oh, that's okay. All right, I'm going to end the meeting. Make sure you get your assignment done before you go. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.